Alright, so this is my help for laying out the bathroom. So this is my commercial project. Okay, there's my big layout. I'm still in sketch mode. Okay, a couple ways you can do it. One way is acceptable is just to draw shapes. So this is what I mean. So if I'm going to draw a toilet, this is my one of my toilet stalls. If I wanted to just draw a rectangle in here that represents the toilet, I'm good with that. That works for me. Okay. And outside of it, if you want to draw like shapes with, this could be your sinks. Make sure they're all the same size. I'm just kind of flying through it so you can see it. Okay. And then put a countertop around it. Right. So I'm good. That's one way of doing it. I'm good with all that. Okay. Another way I figure out how you can do it is to place objects in. This is what I mean. So if I go to Safari and this is my sink, okay, I can right click, I should be able to right click, save image as, and I'm going to call it sink 2 because I already have sink 1 in here. So I hit save. Now here's the catch on it. When I go to my Finder and Sync 2, I have to open it, file, and export it. And in this case, it is a JPEG, but you got to make sure it's a JPEG. So I hit save and replace it. Okay. So now, if I wanted to, I can go to Fusion and I can actually insert, open, insert, and I can upload like Sync 2. Click on the surface. Now you'll notice behind it is ginormous. So scale X and Y, if you change that to 0.2 and you change that one to 0.2, you can see them shrink. You can rotate it and then you can just draw it back. And like I said, I am absolutely good with doing it that way as well. It doesn't make a difference to me. That's all correct. So then just hit OK. Okay. If you go to Echo under your the bathroom layout, if you see, you'll see I should have some attachments. There's a sink I just did. Here's a toilet. All those things you can drop into Fusion, and it gives a little more, a little more depth, if you will. Okay. So that's how you do the bathroom. So one thing you got to make sure you do when you do bathroom, you need to calculate your square footage of your entire building so you have to make sure you have enough stalls. Okay, that's kind of really what I'm looking for. I understand you're going to have blank space because we're not really in Rivet, but the correct number of stalls is important, and the correct number of sinks, or what they call water closets, is probably the most important. All right, thanks.